Hello, this is Rob Richards, owner of Rocky Mountain Sewing and Vacuum. We're at the Colorado Springs location getting set up for Trevor Conquergood, who happens to be standing right next to me here. He's going to be at all 4 of our locations, starting tomorrow at the Springs, Aurora the next day, Arvada the following day, Friday, and then Saturday at Littleton. We have some space. If you want to come, you see this video, there will be a link somewhere around here for you to click and sign up for, click the link. And you can sign up to come to one of our events. And you're wondering, Rob, how much does it cost to come to this event? It's $49, is it $99? Let's just call it $50 to come to this event. You get this amazing $199 value free gift when you come.
Nice attendee gift. Really
nice attendee gift. What's in here, Trevor?
Well, there's thread. Obviously, there's some beautiful Floriani embroidery thread. You have a set of embroidery designs. There is a, this is like your stabilizer sample pack, so it kind of teaches you about all the different kinds, and it's all color coordinated. There's a workbook in here, so if you're collecting the stabilizers, you can learn how to use them and make notes. There's a printed thread chart in here. And you'll even learn about a free software that you can use to convert your embroidery designs into from any thread brand to any thread brand. It's a free kind of thread converting software, and all of that for attending, plus an amazing lunch, right, Rob?
Got a great lunch. We also will have some snacks.
I'll take that off your hands.
We're going to have giveaways throughout the entire presentation at all 4 locations.
It's also a really nice reusable box, I might add, by the way. It's
you can fit a small pizza in there afterwards.
It's the nicest pizza box ever. It says Floriani on the cover.
But you know, my big question, Trevor, is why in the world would they want to come to your event?
Absolutely.
You know?
Thank you for asking. So my name's Trevor, and I came from Saskatoon, Saskatchewan, and it's absolutely my pleasure to be here. I've been doing embroidery for over 35 years, and one of my favorite things to do is to share what I've learned. We're going to talk about thread, needles, stabilizers, embroidery designs, how to get the best results you possibly can without kind of working hard to get it. So really, it's a great day for anybody that is even interested in machine embroidery. I can promise you that I will share knowledge that's great for a knowledgeable person, but equally as great for people that are just getting started out. So it's a lot of fun, that's for sure. I bring a lot of energy. I have a ton of embroidery samples that I brought and things that might inspire you. Can I show them my latest piece? We're talking hot off the press. The Luminaire is sewing over there. We have a Luminaire 3, is that what you were calling it? The latest, top of the lines to talk about. Well, this is the Denver skyline. I actually sketched this up on my plane ride here. Now, I didn't take the photo, I got that from Google, but I think that's from City Park, if anybody knows. Tell me if I'm like getting too close. But can you guys see what I've done? I've taken the thread, and the embroidery machine literally stitches my thread sketch, and so that's kind of fun. So we're embroidering on paper. You're gonna learn about making patches. One of my very favorite things to do is to make patches. I got some amazing patch examples and 2 different patch techniques that I can teach you guys. We're gonna learn about making postcards. So this is greetings from Colorado. And if you attend the event, you'll get my designs. That'll be emailed, after the event's over. We'll email you my latest embroidery designs. So we hope you'll join us. And I would love to meet you while I'm in Colorado. Like Rob said, there's 4 stores and it starts tomorrow. And you're not gonna wanna miss this event, you guys. Your friends are gonna be talking about it. So please join us. And what more do you want to say?
Well, I was going to say these designs here have a retail value of over $1 million because he's famous. So you get this for free when you come.
I'm going to be sewing them during the event, and everything that comes off the machine I'm going to give away. So you might get to take one home. But if not, I'll teach you guys I'll tell you all about how to stitch on paper, what kind of paper, where to buy it, what kind of stabilizer, and then you can make them your own. Or, you know what? This would look nice on a sweatshirt, Rob, don't you think?
Sure.
Or do you have one of those beautiful long arm quilting machines? Because this is actually a continuous line design. It does have to jump to get up to the clouds. That's the only time that the machine actually stops sewing. But you could quilt this on your long arm quilting machine. So there's a lot of things that we can learn about tomorrow. Anyway, I would love to meet you guys.
Yeah,
please join us.
Doesn't sound like there's any reason you shouldn't come. So please come. We've got a few seats left, and we'll see you at the event. Thanks for the time.